Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Well, let me tell you, this is probably one of my best seasons, spring and summer. I love it because we have bounty of fruits and vegetables. They're all fresh and delicious. And most people during this time like to eat fresh, cold things. And one of those things are salads. But the problem is that when they make a salad, they only use green leafies and vegetables. And if you were to do that, that's not really a complete meal. And by the hour, you end up so hungry that you end up overeating later. So today, I am going to show you how to make a balanced meal called a salad that contains all three macronutrients: carbohydrates, protein, and fat. So I have partnered National Dairy Council to provide to you this beautiful salad that uses protein as dairy. Now the protein here is Greek yogurt and queso fresco. Queso fresco is a Latino queso that is delicious and is light in flavor. For the dressing, I like to use Greek yogurt. Normally dressings are high in sugar, high in calories, but Greek yogurt is great because I use low-fat Greek yogurt, contains probiotics, and probiotics are good to help your digestive health. Also, Greek yogurt contains high-quality protein. We love that. So now let's make the cilantro-infused yogurt dressing. I love this dressing. We're gonna start by adding Greek yogurt, avocado oil mayonnaise dressing, lemon juice or lime juice, finely chopped cilantro leaves, minced garlic, teaspoon sea salt, freshly ground pepper, and blend everything until smooth. You can let it sit in the refrigerator for 10 to a half an hour to get the flavors even better. So now let's make the high protein avocado quinoa edamame salad with yogurt dressing. Love this salad. So in a large bowl, and once you have all the ingredients ready, start with a bit of cooked quinoa. Then add the tomatoes, diced avocados, cubed queso fresco, shelled edamame, sliced radishes, diced bell peppers, black kalamata olives, shredded carrots, and diced celery on top. At the end, drizzle the cilantro lime yogurt dressing over the salad and toss everything together until well combined and enjoy. Now you saw how easy it is to make this meal. And a meal definitely can be a salad. Just remember, it has to have all three macronutrients: carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Now let me taste this because it looks delicious. I know it's delicious, but let me remind myself. Creamy, fresh, delicious. Let me have a little sip of milk. Oh my God. Even more refreshing now. Now it is your turn to make this salad. Remember to go to your supermarket and get all the ingredients because you are going to simply love this salad and dressing. Now, for more inspiration and recipes, visit usdairy.com.